Tom Laskowski with Midwest Native Skills, and this is our every other Thursday live broadcast. Today we're going to be talking about ancient or traditional herbal remedies. With all this going on now, with the COVID and it's naturally cold and flu season, I thought it would be appropriate to go back and explore some of the older remedies that people have been using for years and years that kind of boost our immune system and that we can make at home. An immune system boosting tea. Now, Wendy was kind enough to make sure I mentioned that we are not proposing that these are any cures or remedies, because I guess the AMA and all the medical people get quite upset when you say that something is a cure or for something. So just to cover ourselves, we're going over remedies that have been used in the past. And I will say that we use them, and I know most of my friends use some of these remedies. Okay, what we're doing, we're going to add the stuff to this. We're going to cook it. We're going to heat it up to a simmer. Cook it for 7 minutes. We're going to make sure it doesn't boil, because boiling it is going to hurt the turmeric we're going to put in. After that, we're going to put in the lemon juice we're going to squeeze in, the coconut oil, and then we're going to strain it into a teacup. So first of all, what we're going to do, 5 cups of water. This is the type of tea you would make a quantity of it. Okay, now we're going to do 2 things to this lemon. We're going to need the juice of the lemon, and we're going to need the peel of the lemon. So to make that happen, we're going to first juice the lemon.
No, you're not.
No? Yeah.
No.
No, I'm wrong. We're first going to take the peel off.
Mm-hmm.
And the peeler, Cheryl, is here. I told you the kitchen's not my place. Okay, take the peel off.
Yeah, Wendy, as soon as you get some of this done, we'll send it to you.
Yeah. Did you know by eating the white part of a lemon is supposed to settle your stomach after a meal? So if you have lemon in your water and you're eating at a restaurant, you should just go ahead and chow down on the white part of the lemon just to make sure. Okay, you guys got the idea. Okay. Now I have this. I'm going to save this for a little later. Now I cut it and juice it.
For those of you at home, do this on a cutting board.
Wendy's probably laughing. Frankie's going, well, I don't see anything wrong. That's the way I do it.
Exactly, Adam.
What did Adam say? Adam.
Yeah, I'd like to see all the TAs show up right after this, because Tom has now trashed the kitchen. He's going to need some help.
Okay, we got our lemon. Okay, so we peeled it. Now we have our ginger. We need slices of our ginger. Again, a 2-inch piece of ginger. We use a mandolin again. That's about what I had left here.
Frankie says you need help.
I'm not the one that abandoned me in Cleveland and went down to Carolina, Frank. Okay. Okay, so that goes in the pot. We have our ginger, turmeric root, or the powder. We'll use powder. And again, I'm just basically following the recipe. A pinch of cayenne.
It's not a pinch.
Close enough. And this is, I just learned today, a crack of black pepper. I didn't know what that was, but you get one of these. A crack is, that's a crack. And then I take all this onto the stove. Bring this to a boil or to a simmer just under a boil, and I'll keep it there for 7 minutes. I won't bore you. Let's just pretend the 7 minutes are up. We take it off. We're going to add our lemon juice to it. I'm going to actually do this after we go off the air, so I'd add the lemon juice to it, and then 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. That goes in here. Strain it, and Cheryl and I will be having this immune system boosting tea.